Hi, Neiman Marcus family. I'm Tata Harper, and today I want to talk about a few of the things that are really helping me de-stress. I think that when stress and anxiety are high, it's really good to focus on like centering ourselves. And today I just want to share a few of the things that are really helping me right now. So, I don't know if you guys know, but I am a big fan of supplements. Not because I think that supplements replace good nutrition, but because I really think that supplements help take things further. At least for me, they really, really help me. And some of the supplements that I'm really taking right now that are really helping me ease into the moment are all natural. And one of them is holy basil. I don't know if you guys have heard of holy basil. It's an adaptogen, but it really, really helps with mental balance. So I would check that one out. The other one is ashwagandha, that it's an Ayurvedic herb. That one's a little bit more popular, I think, but it's amazing at helping reduce cortisol levels in the body. And when you reduce cortisol levels in the body, your stress comes down, and also it prevents a lot of like emotional breakouts in your face. So I feel that that one is it's extremely helpful. And last is magnesium, which is a natural muscle relaxer, and it also helps a lot with anxiety and restlessness, and it's an easy way to feel calm. So those are the three top choices when it comes to supplements for me. The other thing that it's really great is to, spend a little bit of time just massaging my face. Like I love massages, and I find facial massages to be super relaxing. So I'm gonna show you guys a few of the massages that I've been doing. And I've been using our richest product to do the massage. Like I think that it's creme riche is really amazing for facial massages, and it looks like this. It's like dessert for your skin. And it also contains a lot of sugar technology in here, like sugar anti-aging technology, like peptides and carbohydrates that are just make the experience even better. It actually even tastes a little bit sweet too. Like if you taste it, it's definitely sweet. But anyway, it comes with a little spoon, so I like adding a little bit. And it has like this rich, kind of like buttery texture that comes a lot from avocado peptides as well. So I like to rub it well into my skin, like into my hands, and then it goes right into my skin. And honestly, like I feel like the sense of comfort, and like it really helps cocoon my skin. So I just want to make sure that this is everywhere, including my neck. I've been reading a lot about the connection between your skin and your emotions in this new science called psychodermatology. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but really focusing on studying how your emotions impact the skin. And it's real. The connection is really real. So I think that it's super important that we also keep that in mind. So anyway, back to the massages. So here's a little bit more cream. And here are a couple of the techniques that I love the most. Number one is just super simple, is to go with these two fingers and go up. It really helps break a lot of the tension in the jaw, and that I think that I accumulate a lot of tension like here and here. So you can do this on both sides. Also, another technique that I love is to do, with your knuckles here in your jawline, like this. And it feels so nice. It also, again, focuses on breaking the tension that we keep here in our jawline. And it just feels so good. Like this product also has a lot of hyaluronic acid and hyaluronic acid booster, so just makes your skin just plump up immediately. The other ones that I also love doing are around my eyes. So, I put a little bit of more moisturizer on the eyes. And this is like a classical Japanese technique. So you put a little bit of pressure and you go like 5 times in one direction. Then you do 5 times in the opposite direction. like even like over your brow. Also, this is like very relaxing. This one's right here. And lastly, just focusing a lot here in the temple. Like there's also this technique that that focuses on relaxing a lot of like the tension that we accumulate here in this area of the face, and that it's just simply by opening your mouth, like dislodging like your jaw like this and opening your mouth, and it immediately you feel the relaxing effects all over your face and your head. So it's simple. It's like you just disconnect the jaw from here and you open your mouth and you let it loose, and you do that for like 3 minutes. Also, I want to share this meditation app that it's called the Tapping Solution. You guys can read it there. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with tapping, but basically tapping is like an emotional freedom technique that combines Chinese acupressure and a lot of modern technology. And it's really about meditating, doing tapping at the same time. So for example, like it guides you through the meditation, but at the same time you're like tapping specific parts of your body, like here, like in between the eyebrows. It's really interesting. It's another thing that it's been really helping me. And lastly, what I want to say is, like, right now that there's a lot of like ups and downs, and you know, when we're feeling down, and every time that I'm feeling down for sure, I feel that I just want to complain, I really like stop for a second and really count my blessings and remember that the good things in your life. I think that has really helped me, give me perspective. So I hope that helped, guys. Stay healthy, and see you soon.